Sat Shri Akal, Adab, Pranam. I am Pankaj Kudal and I am doing internship in PROVDING. So for taking the online class, firstly you want to open your browser and going the actual official site. So want to going to official site, you want to type swl.du.ac.in. After that you will landing on the official site. It's loading. So you can see you are on the landing page of official site. There is most options but you ignore it and going on your student dashboard. In the student dashboard you want to log in your ID. So firstly type your roll number and barcode and open your ID. In the first option you type your roll number. In the second option type your barcode. Okay. When you can see there is a notice for online classes, there is a first options. There is available your login ID and password for the Microsoft Team app in which you are taking your class. And for the downloading this Microsoft app, there is available for a link. So firstly copy your login ID and your password. Okay, after copied your password, there is also available a link of Microsoft Team app downloading. So download this app in your phone through this link. After clicking this link, you want to show a option for the installation. Then install this app in your phone, in your laptop and your tab in any which. So you can see paste your login ID and your password and take your class. Okay, thank you.